didn't work. I just pushed that rock. I was 2 degrees on the front there, so we'll level the front. Okay, that's better. Dang, that was quick.
Woo! That water's boiling already.
Ooh, that's strong. Welcome back to another video in the Mobzilla. And thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Teemu, we've got some new camp gadgets to test out, including this little jet boil thingy, this little mini table, and then this table as well. We're gonna show you how much stuff you can get for 300 bucks on Teemu. And we're gonna test it all, make sure that it all works and that I like it. So far, I like this table. I like this little table. You can download the app in the link below in the description. And I've got coupons to share with everyone, not just new users. And use code KBM3788 to save 20 bucks off your order. Even if it's $20.01, you'll only pay 1 cent on that order. You just pull up the Teemu app and you actually just put it right in the search bar, KBM3788. Hit search. And look at this, you're actually going to find all the products that I got on Teemu right away, along with that $20 coupon. Just make sure when you plug that code in, you use it within 24 hours because it will expire. Now that we got our coffee made up, let's head inside to show you what other goodies we were able to score for, again, just 300 bucks on Teemu. This isn't even the half of it. Amanda mentioned she wanted a trash can next to the Nature's Head compost toilet. So I found this one to match with gold trim. I'm getting hungry, so I'm going to cook this honey garlic chicken stir fry kit with my new electric pot and gold dishware. So I've had an electric kettle before and I like those a lot. They do draw a lot of power, but if you've got it, why not use it? We are running the kettle off of a 1,000 watt power station. Currently pulling 686 watts. You know how people have like induction cooktops and all that stuff. Fancy stuff, high dollar stuff. This works also. That butter just melted right away. Holy cow, alright. Let's put our chicken in there. Wow, this thing is crazy. This is awesome. What a fun way to cook an electric pot. I never would have thought. This is just an example of some of the stuff you can find on Teemu for a super good deal. Yeah, it's got to be one of my favorite things I got from the Teemu haul here. Look at that. Show you here, we got these bowls. These are awesome metal bowls. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the bowls. And they nest together. And these plates are matching as well. Gold. There's 20 of these plates, which is awesome. Put our sauce in here and load it up into one of these bowls. Call it good, because otherwise we're going to get too hot. So power-wise, we've only pulled 8% off of our 1,000 watt. Too bad I forgot the rice or noodles. Just unplug it too, and then hold the pot by its handle there. Let that cool down, throw some of our trash away in our new handy dandy trash container. Like I said earlier, I do like spending my time outside, of course, but I love these big old windows here in my camper. Pretty much feel like I'm outside. Mmm. Yummy. That is plenty hot. That's awesome. Overall, we pulled 10% off of our power station. These bowls are sweet. Make me feel super bougie. And they match the new sink and mirror and little gold top and, you know, all the little gold accents we're trying to do. Digging the green and gold. The gold just goes so good with these new cushions too, which are a huge sneak peek into the future. There's a lot of stuff in this video that you're going to see now, and you're not going to see it for a little while later. The reality is we don't actually get these cushions until we get to King of the Hammers, and this video was shot a lot sooner than that. But anyways, let's get back to it. It'll all make sense eventually. Those things nest together so nicely. There's 20 plates there. What am I going to do with all this trash though? Oh wait, I know what I'm going to do. I'm gonna put it in here. Oh, I'm getting a little tired. Gotta keep momentum going. I've got just the idea. We'll whip out our new espresso maker here. I got this on Teemu too. How crazy is that? This thing's cool. It'll actually do K-cups and even the small K-cups. And it's rechargeable. And it also boils the water. So double click and we'll heat the water. No way. It says it takes about 5 minutes to heat it up. It's in Celsius here, but if we double click we can see Fahrenheit. Just started doing stuff automatically. No way, it's dripping espresso. This is easier than the espresso machine at our house. Literally, like less cleanup, less setup, quicker, easier. Just really makes you wonder, do you need all the fancy stuff? Or is this entry level stuff good enough? Makes you wonder. Okay. Here's our shot. espresso. Ooh, that's hot. Wow, that's strong. But oddly smooth. Well, that's delicious. I feel jacked up and ready to edit again. We're about ready to... Well, no, we are ready now. Cheers, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me, showing how far $300 will get you on Teemu. So use code KBM3788 for $20 off today. Thank you guys for watching. Super excited. We're going to start mobbing some more in the Mobzilla. Only question is, are you down to mob? Yeah.